So please make sure that your video is on, because when you'll be exercising, the fitness instructor, her name is Monica ma'am, she would be seeing whether you're doing it correctly or not. So it's like it should be helping you and not causing you any kind of harm or damage. Okay?
Good morning, Shabana ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Monica. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yes, so all my students are all charged up and ready. And in fact, here they are. Say hello, everybody, to Monica ma'am.
Hi, children.
Hi, ma'am.
Let me see each and every one, okay? And I want you guys to tell me your name because it will be difficult for me in the initial days. So you say, tell me beta, your name.
I am Farhana.
1 minute, Farhana. Hi, Farhana. Good morning.
Hello, ma'am.
I can see. Yeah, these two boys. Yeah, tell me your names, beta.
Yeah, ma'am.
A little loud.
My name is Mudabbir.
Hi, Muzabbir.
My name is Mozam.
Yeah, hi. You guys are brothers?
Yeah, ma'am.
Wow, good to see both the brothers working out. Nice. All the best.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Farhana. Then we have, yeah. Hi, Umaira. Good morning. Umaira, good morning. Did I pronounce the name right, Shabana ma'am?
Mommy. Pronounce the name right.
Did I pronounce the name right?
Umaira is right. Yes, you did pronounce it correctly.
Yeah, but she's not replying. That's it. It's okay. Ahmad Kazi is not come on the screen. We have
Ahmad, I think you need to come on video as well.
He
Umaira,
only comes if
Ahmad.
you call him Mr. Mango.
Yeah, Mr. Mango. I think you're ripe enough to come now on the video.
Hey, Amina, you ready for the track and field? Wow.
Mohammed
You guys-
Shakir,
you guys-
please come online, come on the video.
Hey, Amina, no good.
Yeah, I think Amina, Sakleen, and Farhana are fantastic. Cheers for them. They're on video.
Hi, Saklena. Hi, Sakleen. Good morning.
Hello, ma'am.
You're wearing that headphone while doing exercise. Better will not be needing that. How will you manage this?
Sure, I'll remove it.
Yeah, because my voice will be loud. Don't worry.
I'll remove the headphone.
Sorry.
Yes, I'll remove it.
Okay, beta.
Amina, you look like a Edward for Nike, you know, all ready for your exercising. Oh, Sophia, there you are. Hello.
So am I excited.
Okay, so we have Mozam and Mudabbir as well.
Sorry, ma'am.
Abdullah Saqib, everybody's done. Yeah.
Ma'am, let me know when to start.
It's okay, just do it. Have
Go
fun.
for it. Okay, let's go for it, children. Come on. I need everybody to go behind and stand and just pin my screen, okay? So you'll be able to see what teacher is doing.
Abdullah, Muazzam, Mudabbir. Don't worry, don't be shy. Just go ahead. No, okay. The biggest motivation for Abdullah is you don't have to be like Adil Chachu, right? Pot belly. So let's do some exercises now.
Okay. Children, we all are going to start. I mean, don't worry.
Chalo, get up, Sakleen. Come on, Safia, get up.
Chalo, let's stand. Let's stand.
Farhana, Amina, good.
Okay. Am I visible and audible to all children? Show me a thumbs up if I am. Yeah, good. Yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, be behind. Let's start. Hands on your shoulder. Hands on your shoulder. Give me circles. We're going to start the stretching first before we start the workout. Yeah, let's do the stretching. 1, complete rotation, children. Elbow to elbow, touch your elbow to elbow. 4, 5, good job. 6, 7, 8, 9. Reverse it, other way around. 1, 2, complete rotation. I need your shoulders to be a little relaxed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands on your waist. Give me circle. Yeah, this is your spine rotation, children, because we're going to do workout. So we need entire body stretching. So first, the main important thing is your spine. The spine has to be strong and straight. So give a good rotation right from your head. Last 2 to go. 1 more. Super. Let's go other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Hands straight and try to push your hands behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need you to hold your hands behind in this manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Release it. Hands forward, stretch. 1, 2, slight bend down. 3, 4. Feel the stretch on your back, children. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Release. Now full rotation of your hands. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Reverse it, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch your neck slightly. Don't put a lot of pressure, slightly. One side of the neck. Super. Other way around, stretch it out. Okay. I need you to stretch your palms in this manner. Hands straight. Pull your palms down like this. The same hand will go up and pull it up. Super. Let's take the other leg, other hand, sorry. Stretch it out. Nice. Take it upward. Super. Okay. Now this is called jumping jacks. Okay, so we are going to do 20 jumping jacks. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, kids. Excellent. Hands straight, shoulder level. Okay, you're just rotating yourself. You're just rotating yourself, but your hands are to your shoulder level. Okay. Give me 10 of this. 1, 2, 3. Super. 4, 5, 6. Super. 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. I want everyone to take a small sip of water. Small sip of water before we begin the workouts. Small sip of water. Come on. Come back fast, kids. Okay, Sakleen is here. Farhana is there. Stay behind, stand straight. Okay. You're going to go first. Sorry? Did someone say something? Kids, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay, stay behind. Okay, we all know squats, right? What you're going to do, you're going to part your legs slightly, 1 feet apart, okay? Hands straight or hands behind your head, 2 variation, okay? If you feel your hands are straight and you're getting tired, immediately put your hands behind your head, but just don't leave your hands loose, okay? I'm comfortable with both this position. So I'm going to go straight and I'm going to go 15 counts of squats. I sit completely to the floor, and I raise myself up. Yeah, I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to do this. Okay, I'm going to go straight in an aligned manner. Exhale when you go down. Exhale. Inhale. Okay, kids, with me. Hands together. Farhana, keep your hands together. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, kids. 1. Complete down. 2, 3. Keep going. I'm going to watch you. 4. Come on. 5. 6. I'm watching each and every child. Come on. 7. Excellent. Back straight. 8. Super. 9. 10. What happened, beta? 11. 12. 13. Give me 20. Come on. Good going, boys. 14. Hands straight. 15. 16. Go down. Sagle, go. This one. Go down. Safia, go down. Yeah. 18. Come on, Safia. Up. 19. 1 last to go, children. 20. Super. Okay. Now I want you to stretch your leg in this manner before we begin the lunge workout. Okay? Hold it. Let's take the other leg. Hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Super. Again, stand straight. Keep your hands in this manner. Okay, you need to watch my feet. What we are going to do is called step touch. Okay, it's just called a touch. So I'm going to do this touch for 20 times. So watch my feet. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. What I'm doing, I'm touching my elbow, opening it. This is called my window. So I'm going to open my window, close it. Okay, when I open, close. Exhale, inhale. Come on, let's go with me. 4, 3, 2, to your right side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8, 7, 6, 5 more. Keep going. Last 4, 3 more, 2 more, and 1. Good job, kids. Okay, now watch my movement. Then we'll start lunges a little later because I want you to loosen yourself first. Okay, that's why I'm giving you 2 minutes cardio. Okay, I'm going to part my legs and I'm going to bend down and pick it up. Okay, as if I'm pumping, I'm doing the water pump. I'm putting the water pump. Okay, you go down, come up. Go down, come up. Come on, let's go with me, children. Start with your right curl, okay? Right leg curl. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super. 7. Bend down. 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, kids. Let's stretch. Let's stretch. And release. Whenever you're tired, you're permitted to do this stretch. Take a deep breath in. And release. Yeah, we part our legs again. We part our legs again. And my right hand will go to the left side. My left hand will go to the right side. Okay, we start with the right hand first. Right hand, one left side. Come back, left to right. Right to left, left to right. Give me a toe touch while doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, whichever direction your hand goes, you have to see that side. If your hand is going to the right side, you have to see the right side. If your hand is going to the left side, you have to see to the left side. Come on. Breathe out. Breathe in. Keep breathing out. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me a stretch again. Give me a stretch, children. And down. Once again, stretch it. And down. So we are ready to do lunges. Okay, what is lunges? You take one leg forward. I take my right leg forward, my left leg back, and I go down. And I come up. And I go down. And I come up. Okay, but what will happen in this? You not need to put your pressure, a lot of pressure. Watch my leg from the sideways, okay? I am not pointing my knee ahead of my toe. This is wrong. This you should not do. What you're supposed to do? Leg straight, one leg behind. Your knee has to come behind of your toe. So observe your position. This knee will be 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees. And you come up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Okay, so I'm going to watch each and every child doing this because I don't want any injuries to happen for any child. Yeah? So we start with both the brothers first. Let's go. I can't see your camera better properly. You need to place your camera where I can see your legs. थोड़ा नीचे लेना पड़ेगा आपको. So I'll be able to see when you're doing the lunges.
Me?
1 minute, 1 minute. I'll see each and every child and then we'll start together. Just give me 2 of each counts. Children, let's wait for everybody to do 2 counts, then we'll do together. Farhana, even you need to place your camera in such a way that I can see you doing with your legs workout. Yeah, we'll start with Saklin first. Saklin, let's start. Saklin, just give me 2 counts. I want to see your position before we begin with everybody. Saklin? Yeah. Can you stand sideways so I can see your position? Thoda piche jaiye aur. Yeah. Let's go, Saklin. Yeah, go. Superb. Observe your knee, Saklin. That no, your knee is going ahead of your toe, Saklin. Yes, super. Beta back straight rakho. Back straight rakho. Neck straight. Okay, Saklin, let's wait for the others. You're doing perfect. Okay, Farhana, come on, let's start. Farhana, place your camera in such a way. Yeah, go beta back. Go back, go back. Yes, go. Breathe out. Again, aapka bhi knee aage aa raha hai. Farhana, your knee is coming ahead. Try to see, no, the leg which is in the front, Farhana, usko thoda piche le lo. Beta, watch me again. Farhana, watch me again. Children, watch my knee. The knee is very important. You can't give a lot of pressure on your knee. Watch my knee properly. Watch my knee. 1 minute. I'll just see. I'll put the camera a little down so it will be easy for you to see. Just watch my leg. Okay? I am putting my knee, the leg which is in the front. The leg which is in the front, you can see it's not going aage. It has to come piche and 90 degrees. And this is also 90. In case you need a support, take the wall support and do it. Take the wall support or a table or a chair and do it. So you're holding somewhere and you're doing it. So there's not a lot of pressure. There's no lot of pressure there. Yeah? Can I see Farhana doing, please? Farhana karo. हाँ बेटा. Better. Or back straight rakho. Perfect, Farhana. Let's wait for the others. Okay, next we'll go to Saklin. Saklin, we did with you, right? Yeah, who's this? Safia? Come on. Safia, let's go, baby. Safia, chalo. Utho. पीछे जाइए और go back. Yes, I can't see your leg, beta. Safia, हाँ पीछे जाओ. Safia, stand straight. Safia, chalo beta. Let's go. Do it. Safia, I can't see your leg. क्या हो गया? What happened? Can you unmute yourself and talk to me? Safia, can you unmute yourself and talk to me, beta? What happened? Yeah, tell me, Safia, what happened, beta? You want me to show you again, Safia?
Just do like this. When I still I can see.
I can't hear you, beta. Amina, come on, let me see you doing. Yes, Amina, go. Super, beta. Again, observe your knee should not come aage. Yes, just wait, Amina, you're doing perfect.
Can you hear me now?
Umaira, let's go. Umaira, chalo karo beta. पीछे जाइए. और पीछे. I can't see you. और पीछे जाओ. Yes, super. Okay, perfect, Umaira. Perfect, beta. Okay, who's this? Munib. Munib, chalo karo. आप करो. Munib?
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
1 minute.
Yes. I can't see you, Munib. Munib, are you doing it, beta? Stand straight. Come up. ऊपर आ जाओ. Stand straight, Munib. Munib, stand straight, beta. खड़े हो जाओ. Okay, children, we'll start together. 10 counts. Ready? 4. Just spin my camera. 4, 3, 2.
I am standing straight.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now you have to take the other leg to the front. The leg which you took front, put it behind. The leg which you took back, take it again now. Ready? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Super. Come up. Okay, everybody drink one small sip of water. Take a small sip of water.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Who's speaking? I can ask. Who is speaking, beta? Tell me your name loud. Tell me your name loud.
Sophia.
Yeah, Sabia. Bolo, beta.
Can you hear me now?
Safia is talking, right? Safia. Show me a thumbs up if you're Safia who's talking. Yes, हाँ बोलो. I can hear you. Be a little loud.
Can I do it now? The last time you were not able to hear me.
Yeah, I can't hear you now. Also, you're very soft. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Can you follow my workouts? Can you understand what I'm saying, beta? Yes. Safia, can you understand, beta, what I'm doing? Workouts?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Okay, now I want every child to sleep on the floor as I am going to sleep on the floor. Children, I want you to lie down on the floor with your back straight. Sleep on the floor with your back straight. Keep your hands above your head. You have to watch what teacher is doing first. One second, beta. 1 second. 1 second. Everybody just wait.
Oh Allah, Nadia.
Okay. Children, you have to lie down first. Watch teacher, what teacher is doing. And when I say start, we will start together. Okay, you have to watch teacher first. You have to sleep on your back. Back is straight. Okay, your back is straight. You're stretching yourself completely. And you're coming up and touching your toe. You're coming up and you're touching your toe. Okay, and you go down slowly again. You come up, you touch your toe. You go down slowly. Okay, this is called sit-ups. Okay, this is called sit-ups. So I'm going to watch you children doing it. Lie down on your back. Everybody sleep on your back. Stretch your hands above your head, children. Haath upar rakho, sar ke upar rakho. Stretch yourself. Yeah, sleep. When I say ready, we will start together. Let me see if everybody's sleeping down. Umaira, lie down, beta. So jao niche, Umaira. Umaira, sleep down. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Come up and touch your toe. Come on, up. Superb. And down. Breathe out when you come up. Breathe in. Superb. Come on, children. Let's go up. Come up. Breathe out. Legs together. Breathe in. 3. Superb, Farhana. Superb, Sagle. 4. Come on, come on. 5. Superb, Munib. 6. Superb, Safia. Go down. Pair seedha rakho. Up. 7. Superb, Amaira. Up. 8. Breathe out when you come up. Breathe in when you go down. Breathe out. Come up, come on, up, 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 up. 9. Don't look at the camera. Look at your position of your workout. 10. Look at your feet. Give me last 5. No looking at the camera. Munib, come on. Breathe out. Go down, Munib. Go down. Safia, go down. 11. Superb. 12. Come up, come up, come up. Excellent. 13. Give me last 2 children. You do all are doing excellent. 14. 1 more to go. 15. Lie down again on your back and stretch yourself. Lie down on your back and stretch yourself. Okay, watch me again, children. Watch me. I'm putting my hands below my lower back. Okay, I put my hands below my lower back. I keep one leg straight, one leg folded. First, observe me when I'm doing it. My one leg is straight, one leg is folded. So the leg which is straight will go up and down, up and down. Once I finish this exercise, I will fold this leg. I will take the other leg. I will go up and down, up and down. Yeah, so this is called single leg stretch, single leg workout. Yeah, so I want everybody to fold your left leg, children, and stretch your right leg out. Open your right leg. Saglen, open your right leg out. Yes, superb. Sir, niche rakho, put your head down. Yeah, now take your right leg up and down. Superb. Seedha jana chahiye, no folding your knee. Nay, one leg is folded. Saglen, watch teacher. Teachers, one leg is folded. Teachers, one leg is folded, one leg is straight. Children, watch my legs. One leg is folded on the floor. Come on, let's go. Circling right. Come on, keep going. Don't stop till I tell you. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it completely down. 5, 6. Safia, come on. 7, 8. Last 8. 7, 6, 5. One leg up and down. 4, 3, 2, 1. The leg which was doing the workout, usko fold karo. Take the other leg straight. Take the other leg straight. Come on, Munib. Take the other leg. Ready? Go. 1, 2.
Can you show it again, please?
Yeah, please.
I did not see. I had some internet problem, that's why.
Okay, now see, now see. One leg is straight, one leg is folded.
Yeah.
Your hands will go below your lower back. Your hands will go below your lower back. Ready? Come on. 1, 2. Got it? Got it? 3, 4. Come on, the other leg.
Yes.
5.
Thank you.
6,
Yes.
7. Continue, children. 8. Last 8 to go. 7. Right up to the ceiling as if you're pointing to the ceiling. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, give me a good stretch, kids. Give me a good stretch. We're going to do the entire workout with stretching. Lot of stretching. Come on, Munib. Lie down, beta. So jao up. Back pe so jao. Lie on your back, Munib. Anybody wants to take a water break, can take a water break. Okay, this is called cycling. Cycling on the floor. Generally, we do cycling on a cycle, but we are going to do cycling on the floor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put both my hands below the lower back and I'm going to cycle. My cycle is not this. This is wrong. This is wrong. My cycle is complete cycle. Watch my legs, children. I'm doing the complete move. So I want this pointing. One leg stretch, one leg bend. One leg stretch, one leg bend. Ready? We start together. You start with teacher 10 counts cycling, 10 counts reverse cycling. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse it, reverse it. How will you reverse? 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse your cycle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now get your legs folded. Hold it in this manner. And come up and hug yourself. You need to hug your knees tightly. Hold it tight. And down. Stretch yourself. Stretch yourself, children. Now you need to watch teacher first, then do, okay? Now we slept on our back. Now we're going to sleep on your stomach. Watch me first, then you do. Do not do without me watching you, okay? What am I doing? I'm sleeping on my stomach. I folded my legs, both my legs, and I'm holding my ankle. Yeah, can you see me holding ankle? Show me thumbs up if yes. Okay, good job. I'm holding my ankle. I'm putting my chin to the floor. And I need to do this exercise. So what will I do? I come up and down. I come up and down. I come up and down. So observe my leg and my upper body, children. My lower body also goes up. My upper body also goes up slightly. Up and down. Up and down. And when I say hold, you're supposed to hold it like this. And I'm going to give you the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you go down. First we'll go up and down 10 times. And when I say hold, you're supposed to hold it. Yeah? Are we ready? So I'm going to see each and every child. Keep doing. Start. Come on, boys. Let's go. Both the brothers, come on, let's go. Hold your ankle, bacha. Ready? Go. 1. And down. Super, boys. You guys are doing excellent. 2. Farhana, come on. 3. 4. Super, Farhana. You're very flexible. I like it. 5. 6. Super, Amira. 7. 8. 9. Continue. 10. Super, Safia. 11. 12. Come on, Munib. 13. Super, Amira. 5. 14. 15. Last 5 children. 16. Come on, Sagle. Come on. 17. 18. Hold it up. Hold it up. Don't come down. Stay up. Stay up. Stay up. 1, 2, 3. Look up. Look up. Look up. Sagle, no. Look up. Look at the ceiling. 1, 2. Lift your chest up. Lift your chest up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Super, Munib. 16, 17, 18, 19, and down. Down. Down, down, children. Okay, down, down. Munib, you were doing nice, but you stopped in between. Sakleen, kya ho gaya aapko? Why did you stop, beta? Okay, chalo, I want everybody to take a chota sip of water and come back. Come on. Everybody take a small sip of water and come back.
Great. I think Monica ma'am, your video is upside down, but otherwise,
Yeah, 1 second.
yeah, that's perfectly okay.
Yeah.
No, this is going on very well. How
Yeah,
are the
thank
children?
you, sir.
They're participating well, ma'am.
Yeah, they are. I can't, in between, I think 2 kids. Ahmad Kazi.
I think sometimes it's the internet also, if that's poor. But hopefully, in a couple of classes
Yeah,
they will
yeah,
join. It's
yeah,
also
yeah.
the second day as well for the entire program.
Right. No worries. I think all kids are doing excellent.
Yes.
Yeah, the kids are having fun. I've been seeing, and they're really enjoying, and they're actually following your instructions really well, Monica ma'am.
Thank you.
Shabana ma'am, I think we should have one session for all the mothers also.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
please.
in for it. I'm totally
I
in for
would
it.
love to have, because I would love to have mamas doing.
I
Hold on,
would
Moin.
love
I think
it.
we'll ask these students to vouch for it, and probably one of the weekends we'll do for the mothers. Must session.
Definitely.
Yeah, sure.
Definitely.
I think they should, because
Farhana says the father should have some trainer for them also and have a father session as well.
oh, great. I don't mind training the couple together, Shabana ma'am.
No, Monica ma'am, you don't want to embarrass the fathers. Please, we will not do that.
Seriously, you don't want to see the sizes, Monica ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, ma'am, we'll just do 2 more workers and then going to have a conversation with them. Last 2
Okay.
workers, Saleh. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, children, come on. Let's take your position again. Okay, you need to pin only me and watch me. Okay? Watch me carefully. You're going to lie down straight. Okay, on your side. So you face your camera and look at teacher. Legs are straight. Body is straight in one level. Not like this or not piche. No, your body has to be straight in one line, like a stick. Right now, assume your body is like a stick, straight stick. Okay, hands are down to the floor. The leg which is on the top, it will go up and down, slow and steady. Okay, it has to touch the other leg. Up and down, up and down. So are we ready? 1, 2, 3, go with teacher. Come on. Up and down. 1. Up and down. 2. Give me 10 counts. 3. Go slow, children. 4. Breathe out. Breathe in. When you go up, breathe out. Breathe in. 5. Last 5 to go. 6. 7. 8. 9. 1 more to go, children. And 10. So this leg got tired. But still we will do another. 1 more workout on this leg. Then we will switch on to the other leg. So what we are going to do? We're going to hold this leg up like this. And we are going to lock it. Observe me again, children. I took this leg on top and I locked it. So I'm locking my other leg. You can see this is a lock. This is called a lock system. So my leg won't go out. When I'm doing the exercise, my other leg will not move out because this is already locked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pressure the other leg. This leg got tired, we'll give this leg rest. So we'll take the other leg to do workout. 1, 2, keep your hands to the floor. 3, super. 4, go slow and steady. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One last to go. 10. Now we are going to get up and we are going to face the camera again, but we'll turn to the other side. We will turn to the other side so we can do the other leg workout. Yeah, just switch up to your sides, kids. Let's do the 90 degrees workout together. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, super. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now let's lock this leg. Let's lock this leg. I've locked my leg so I can do my workout with the other leg. 1, 2, 3. Go slow and steady, children. 4. Right now we are the tortoise. 5. Slow and steady. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release this lock. Open it. Come up slowly. I want you to come in this position. This is called a box position. So your body is like a box right now. Your shoulder and your palm has to be in one level. Yeah, your knee has to be together and you have to look down at your knee or to your belly button. This is your belly button, your stomach. So you have to look at your belly button. Okay? You need to look down. First you watch teacher. First you watch teacher doing 2 workouts and then we will just start together. Okay? The first workout is take your knee to the chest and take it to the ceiling. Take it to the chest, take it to the ceiling. Get it. When I finish my counts, I'm going to get it back and I'm going to give baby stretch. This is called baby stretch. Okay? I want to see everybody's position first. Come to your position of a box. Everybody take your position. Yeah, superb. Look at your belly button. Everybody look down at your belly button or to your knee. Super. Ready? I'm going to watch you. You're going to do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Take your knee to your chest. Stretch it to the ceiling. Excellent, children. Stretch it. 2. Do not stop. Look down, Saklin. 3. Saklin, look down. 4. 5. Go straight, children. When you're opening your leg to the ceiling, your leg has to be. Go. 7. 8.
I did not see.
9.
I had some internet problem.
10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Last 5. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Okay, give me baby stretch, children. Give me baby stretch. Give me baby stretch. Now you take the other leg. Come up again. Children, come up again. Follow. Take the other leg. 1, 2, other leg. 3, 4, 5, 6. Look down. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Give me baby stretch, kids. Baby stretch. Super. Okay, let's sit. Children, sit. Okay, I want you to come in a butterfly pose. Unmute. Children, mute yourself. I can hear some disturbance from the other side. Mute yourself. Okay, get me to your butterfly pose. This is your butterfly pose. Get your feet together. Hold your feet. Keep your back straight and flap your legs. Yeah, let's go 10 counts. 1, 2, keep your back straight, kids. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to roll myself forward, touch my forehead to the feet. If it doesn't touch, no worries. Don't force yourself. Just get it slightly down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come up. Now stretch one leg straight, one leg folded, one leg straight, one leg folded, and hold your stretch to the side. Superb, kids. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Super. Let's take the other leg. Hold this leg. Take the other leg open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. Let's fold. Neck and shoulder shrugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I want you to sit straight, back should be straight, and turn your neck side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Keep your hands to your side. Watch me first, then you do. Okay, first watch me, what is my instruction, then we'll do together. You need to raise your hands up to the ceiling, join it, hold yourself straight up, as if now you're a tree, okay? Assume you're a tree and you're growing taller and taller, okay? You need to close your eyes and teacher will give counts. Once I finish my counts, you're going to get your hands in this manner, okay? And down. Ready? Let's go with teacher. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Go up. Join your hands together. Grow taller. And now close your eyes. Everybody has to keep the eyes closed because you're focusing on your breathing, children. Keep focusing on your breathing. I'm going to count. You're going to observe your breathing. Eyes are shut. No disturbance. 1, 2, 3. Relax yourself. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, last 2, 1. Get your hand gently down. When you come down, you feel the vibration. While coming down, you automatically feel the vibration. Now rub your palms. Come it to your eyes and count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, good noon, children. Everybody come close to the camera so I can talk to you. Come close to the camera, each and everyone. Okay. So now I will start with Safia. Safia, how was the class, bacha? Safia?
Very nice.
Yeah, tell me, how was the class? Kaisa tha class?
Nice.
It was good? You liked it?
Yes.
Yes, you liked it? Good. I'm so happy for you. Okay. Next, we will go to Humaira, right? Am I pronouncing it right, Humaira? Yeah, tell me, how was the class, beta? Loud, loud. I can't hear you. Good? It was good? Thank you, beta. Okay. Yeah, I liked your clap, huh? Amira, right? Amina, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Amina.
I liked your clap. How was your class, bacha? How did you like the class?
It was good.
It was good. Okay. So now you may get little body pain and all. No worries, no issues. What will happen? This is just because you are not you're working out for so long. You were just sitting. So your body will pain, but no worries. Okay. You can always do a little bit of stretching at. Yeah, Munib? You will do, right? If your body pains, you will do little stretching, right, Munib? Yeah, unmute yourself and talk, darling. Yeah, Saklain, how was the class?
I really enjoyed.
Khadija.
Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless. Yeah, this is my two brothers. You have to tell me your names again, beta. Can you tell me your name once again, both my brothers?
My name is Mudabbir.
Let me pronounce it. Is it Muzabbir?
Mudabbir.
Yeah. And next,
Muazzam.
Mozam, right? Mozam. Am I pronouncing it right? Mozam and Muzabbir, right?
Mudabbir.
Okay, I'll take some time. I will take some time. I have your names written. I will take some time. Don't get me wrong if I don't take it well, okay? Yeah. How was the class, bacha?
Was good.
Good. I enjoy seeing you both doing it. I'm so happy. God bless.
Thank you.
Whom did I miss? Whom did I miss? Farhana, did I miss you? How was the class, bacha?
I really had fun. Thank you, ma'am.
You're always welcome, my child. Always welcome. God bless. Did I miss someone? Okay. In case, a small instruction to be given to you. Before the class, always remember, do not have a heavy breakfast. No heavy breakfast. What you can do, you can have your normal breakfast, jo bhi hai, a little early, an hour before the class. But before the class, before my class, make an attempt to have either 2 elaichi banana or little dry fruits, compulsory. Before my class, okay? That is 5 to 10 minutes before my class, you have to have either one of the two bananas or little bit of dry fruits. No other thing. I don't want apple, pear, watermelon, mango. No, these all are not going to be helpful before the workout. So you need to consume little bit of the vitamins or the proteins, what I told you. Yeah, and after the class, have little water, wait for 20-25 minutes, and then you can have your lunch. Now it's time for your lunch, I think. So you guys are going to have your lunch now. Yeah? Okay, thank you, children. It was good to have you all. I also seriously enjoyed my class with you all. God bless. See you all next Tuesday. Bye.
Thank you, everybody. See, I'm also ready with my, equipment.
Sorry, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I think I enjoyed the class. I enjoyed seeing them all, Abdullah and Muazzam and Humaira all stretching and stuff. It's wonderful. I think we'll see you again next Tuesday for the Mandela. And Mandela flip class. So Thursday we'll do reading and we'll talk a little about it tomorrow. And go and be good people. Yeah, don't go and complain too much. Arey, balm laga do, daddy, mummy, ye complain nahi aani chahiye mere ko. All right, everybody.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
See you.
Fresh
Thank you,
classes
children.
and dinner, the
I will
muscles
see
will
all
build.
the Mandela children on Tuesday. Bye, children. See you all. Bye, Dawood sir.